What a cool car, Red. Where did you get it? I think Cinderella wants to play with it too. Hey! Stop fighting! You're gonna break it! Uh-oh! It's out of control! You have to help her, Cinderella! The vase! Careful, Beast! What a mess! Oh no! It's gonna break everything! It's heading towards Glub Glub! She's gonna crash! I think you're in trouble, girls. It was Belle's car! No! You have to clean this mess.
Hello, Rapunzel. Wow! Your hair looks so nice. So pretty. Oh! What was that? You're right. It's probably nothing. Rapunzel. Huh? I think this was a flea. Yuck. Woof. Very smart, Rapunzel. Now you look super nice again. Problem solved. Uh-oh. It definitely looks like you've got fleas. Have you been skipping bath time? You have to get rid of them. It looks like they're gone. It is getting worse. But where are they coming from? Well done, Rapunzel. With water and soap, the fleas will pop. And the good news is that you can now comb your hair again. It seems that was the last one. Huh? Your brush? It was right here a few seconds ago. Where is it now? This is strange. Footprints! Maybe someone took your brush. Let's follow the footprints. The track is leading us to Beast's bedroom. What's the matter, Rapunzel? Yuck! Beast has been using your beloved hairbrush and filling it with fleas. Let's put an end to this. Yeah, Rapunzel, scrub hard. Get Beast totally clean. What a wonderful day to play in the snow. What are you up to? Do you want to build a snowman? Don't you want to play, Era? It's so much fun. It's going to look amazing. There are some things that are still missing. Let's go find them. First, let's find the arms. Those two branches look all right, don't you think? Red, be careful not to fall! Wonderful! The branches suit your snowman just right. Now, let's find the next item. Brooms! But they are very well secured. It's move? That's a great snowman. There's something wrong with this broom. Guys, watch out! It's the magic broom that's making the snowman fly. We need to bring him down as soon as possible. Great! That will attract it. Come on, Robin. It's our only chance. We have to lock it. Well done, Robin. Now we should bring the broom back to where it belongs. Look! Here's the top hat we needed. It looks perfect now. Almost real. Love is in the air on Valentine's Day. Don't be sad, Prince. True love will find you in the end. Look, there's Snow White. But she seems odd. Ooh, Prince fell in love. Mirror, mirror, who's the most handsome prince of this kingdom? May he have the pleasure of this dance? What? Snow White is acting so weird today. Don't give up, Prince. Why don't you try with some Valentine's Day presents? Oh, those are gorgeous. She didn't seem to like them as much. You're so romantic. No, come on, Snow White. The card is not a dustpan. Don't lose hope, Prince. Why don't you try one last time? Great idea. A love arrow will definitely make her fall in love. Oh no! What was that? That's right. When she smells the apple, she will surely wake up. What? Snow White? Of course! The Snow White you were trying to seduce wasn't Snow White. It was just a robot. Aw, that's so romantic. Just like Romeo and Juliet. Happy Valentine's Day!
Yay! It's sleepover time. Uh-oh. That doesn't sound very good, Alice. Dr. Snow White to the rescue. Oh no! Alice has caught a cold. Luckily, Snow White is here to look after her. Wow, Alice! You look better than ever. It was really nice having Snow White to look after you. Oh no. Are you still sick, Alice? I see. You want Snow White to take care of you. You're really enjoying the attention. Right, Alice? Red Bot candies! How yummy! No, no. You can't eat candies if you're sick. Wow. Red's new scooter is so cool. No scooter for you, Alice. You're sick, remember? Poor Alice. At least Snow White will look after her.
Look at those cookies, Robin. Are you hungry? Are you going to eat one? No, Robin. Don't eat all of them at once. Why did you do that? Now you'll get hiccups. Come on, Robin. Don't make a fuss out of it. See, Robin, it's only hiccups. Such a drama, Prince. Drinking some water will surely help you. Oops! Oh no! Now Snow White has hiccups too. Beast, you have to help Robin and Snow White. They have hiccups. What is Beast up to? A scare? Good idea. Aww, you look so cute, Beast. Oh no, another hiccup victim. Your friends are having a contagious hiccup, Alice. They need your help. A spider! Wait, that's not a real spider. That's a toy. It's real! It's real! You're so naughty, Alice. Hey, it worked. No more hiccups. Yay! The spider cured you. Not again. Who will find the Easter eggs that the Easter Bunny has hidden? Alice, Red Riding Hood, or Cinderella? Let's go! You're doing great, Red. That one was well hidden, well seen. Huh? Alice, Red was just here and took all the eggs. Wow, Cinderella! You found 2 in one go! Cinderella took all the eggs in here too. Look at that! That looks like an egg! A lemon? Alice, look! There's your chance! Pick the other one. Red and Cinderella have won. Alice is sad, girls. She didn't find any eggs. Are you girls planning something? An Easter egg! Alice, go take it! Look! Another one! Oh, I see. You hid some of your own eggs. Now it's time to eat them. So you didn't get rid of the lemon, huh?
What a hot summer day! But Snow Queen is not enjoying it very much. That tea looks hot. I think you need to cool down. Wow! What is that machine for? The machine changes the weather! volleyball fight! Are you joining, Little Mermaid? Oh no! Are you okay? Wow, it's sunny again. I guess not for long. That's not okay, Little Mermaid. Hey, girls! Stop fighting! Looks like it's going to be a rainy day after all. Shh! Don't make any noise. Sleeping Beauty is asleep. Oh, I see. You want her to play with you. Great idea. That will wake her up. Aren't you overdoing it a little bit? Shh. I think you're going to need something louder. Think, Alice. What could wake her up? Wow. That's a very big drum. You're such a good drummer, Alice. She's moving. Keep playing. Nothing can wake Sleeping Beauty up. Ooh. Finally! Sleeping Beauty woke up! Huh? What's that? No way! Oh, Alice is sleeping so peacefully.
The soccer practice is about to begin. You're first, Little Red Riding Hood. Prince doesn't look too worried. Wow, you're really going for it. You have to take it easy, Red. Don't worry, Alice will win for you. Come on, Prince, take this seriously. Alice, what are you doing? Wow, they do have some sick moves. Are you two having a dance battle? I see. This whole dance was a plan to distract Prince. No way! He stopped the ball. I admit it, Prince. That was a groovy catch. Wait! It's going in! Go! Little Red Riding Hood and Alice are the winners! Next time, try not to be so cocky, Prince! Welcome to the Increditales contest. Today, it looks like the cooks competing are Snow White and Cinderella. And here's our judge, Snow Queen. Let's see what today's challenge. Cupcakes! Contestants, on your mark, get set, go! Wow, great technique, Snow White. Good effort, Cinderella. Perfectly done. Well, let's see how it goes. Time keeps going. Yummy! Those cupcakes smell so good. I think the heat of the oven was too high, Cinderella. Hurry up, girls. There isn't much time left. Wow! Those cupcakes are so perfect. The time is almost up. Oh, Cinderella, you're gonna use a secret ingredient. I don't think that's fair. So nervous. A few seconds left. Time's up. Oops. When the clock strikes 12, the magic is over. And the winner is... Snow White! But how to share them if you are 3 and there are only 2 cupcakes? That should do it. Let's play in the playground, Belle and Beast. Wow! It's the greatest slide I have ever seen. Don't you want to go to the big slide, Beast? Well, that looks fun too. But I think Belle prefers... At least one of you is having a good time. You would rather be playing in the slide, huh? Beast, you already played where you wanted. Now, it's Belle's time to choose. This is so boring. So cool. Oh no! Are you okay, Belle? It looks like she's bored of these games. Don't you want to keep playing with Beast? Poor Beast. He looks so afraid. Come on, Beast. I promise it will be fun. You can do it, Beast. You can trust Belle. Well done! So, Beast, did you like it? He loved it! Good night, Red Riding Hood. Good night, Snow White. Good night, Robin. Robin? Are you sure that's a good idea, Robin? I think you should get some sleep. Time to wake up! Good morning! Robin, bedtime is over. You spent playing all night? Hey, Robin, wanna play? Oh, oops! Why don't you try goalkeeping? saved the goal. What's wrong with Robin? He looks sick. Does something come to mind, Snow White? Let's go to the hospital. Come on, Robin. They're trying to cure you. Too harsh? He doesn't seem to have a fever. Let's try something else. An injection. That bed looks so comfy. Oh, that's right. It looks like he only needed some sleep. Let's let him rest. Yum, gum. Wow, Prince, you're really good at making gum bubbles. Get ready for a big bubble. Concentrate. You almost got it. Well done, Cinderella. 4 gumbos at once? That's cheating. Prince, stop. This is going to bring trouble. Oh no! Prince is flying away. We have to do something, Cinderella. Cinderella, this is not the time for chewing gum. Prince is in danger. Keep calm, Prince. Try not to move. Uh-oh. Great! A chewing gum mattress. Oh, no, no! Little bee, don't! Hop, 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 hop. Hopscotch is so fun, right, Cinderella? Your turn, Sleeping Beauty! It never ends. Let's go! You can do it, Aurora. You're tired already? You have to get in shape. Cinderella will help you train. You're so strong, Cinderella. Very nice, Aurora. You're making a great effort. Hey, that's cheating. Come on, girls, you can do it. Or not. It's time for the final test. An obstacle race. Let's go, Aurora. You're doing great. Come on, one last effort. You can do it this time. Yay! You made it! What a champ! What's next, Cinderella? Good call, Aurora. After a hard workout, it's really important to rest too. I believe it's enough for the day. Don't you think, Cinderella? Are you okay? You deserve a good rest after all.